2222. If you read this, your best days will start from this point onward. You will heal, true love will found you, and money will bless you and your family. Are you ready for this gift? Type yes if you are ready. As you are shifting, you will slowly begin to notice that you are not the same person you once were. You are not longer tolerating anything that does not add value to your life. You speak your mind, your truth. You are beginning to understand the value of your voice and that there will always be some situations that no longer deserve your time, energy, and focus. Type yes if you needed this. The universe will do something amazing for you, and a lot of opportunities will appear out of now here in your life. The blessings you are receiving are massive. Type yes if you are ready for these blessings. Also subscribe